Here. Okay, come. Okay. Let's go over here.
Are you ready to stuff your dog? Why don't you come over here with me, okay? Let me see your puppy. Put this aside in case you ever get lost, okay? What's your name?
Constantine.
Constantine. Stay with him.
I'm gonna write your name on this test, okay? Can you spell his name for me?
Yes. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-I-N-E.
Alright, so we're gonna stuff your puppy. How would you like him? Big and strong or soft and squishy?
You want
Yeah,
big
we're gonna put the stuffing inside.
You want big and strong or soft and squishy? Big and strong.
Big and strong? Alright. Constantine, can you step on here for me?
Step on that.
Is this your first puppy? Awesome. I'm glad I get to meet with you. High five. After you've all put up, I'll leave you a big puppy, okay? I want you to give him a big hug, okay?
Give him a big hug.
Good? Good. Awesome. Alright, pick out a heart.
Pick out a heart. Pick out a heart. Go get a heart. Okay. So give it to
Can I do one?
Okay, can you put that heart to your heart?
Put it to your heart.
Close your eyes and make a wish. Make a wish? Alright, I want you to turn your body around 3 times.
One.
All the way around.
Again. One. Again. Turn
All the way.
around.
Keep going.
Turn around. Go in a circle. Go in a circle. One. Again.
Another one. Another circle. One more circle. Good job.
Okay, that's good.
One more circle.
That's good.
Alright, take the heart. I want you to rub it on your knees. Rub it on your knees. There you go. So it's always love to need it. And on your back. So you always has your back. Give the heart a big kiss. Kiss the heart.
Give it a kiss.
Good job. You're going to put it inside right here, okay? Put it inside there. Push it all the way in. Good job. Alright, I'm going to close them up for you.
Yes?
Come, Constantine. You're going to have to clean your baby. Come. You're going to have to clean him. Wait until he's done.
Back, okay?
Hi.
There you go. Once you go right over there, you're
What
gonna
do you
go
say to him? Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, go give him a bath. Go put him in there. Okay, now press on this. Press on this.
So give her a knee. Okay?
Turn him around. You can help him. Turn him around. And now, here. Feel the air. Clean him up. Go ahead. Clean him. Take him and clean him. You're trusting it, Constantine. You have to clean the baby.
But I also think.
Alright, look at the thing and say, I just got my, okay, look at there and go say, I just got my first puppy. Go look. Look at Daddy. I say, I just got my first puppy.
I got my first puppy.
Yay!
And give him a hug. Give him a hug. Give him a hug. Show the camera.
Look at
Show
Daddy.
the camera. Look at Daddy. Look. Yay!
Now can I do mine?